Back squat, bottom hold. The back squat bottom hold is a very important exercise, especially for people who struggle with squat depth, confidence, or maintaining good position at the bottom of the squat. One of the most common things I see when people are back squatting is they don't spend enough time in the bottom range of motion. They might cut the depth short, or they might feel unstable or uncomfortable once they get there. By holding the bottom position isometrically, we give the body time to build confidence, strength, and awareness in the deepest part of the squat. Another big reason we use this is to address loss of tension. People often collapse forward, lose upper back tension, or fall out of position as they descend. Spending time here allows us to feel what a strong squat position actually feels like. This exercise is typically done with an empty barbell or a very light load. The goal here isn't to build maximum strength, it's to build position, control, and awareness. Some people will struggle to sit comfortably in the bottom of the squat due to limited ankle dorsiflexion. If that's the case, we can elevate the heels. You can use a slant board or weight plates under the heels, depending on how much elevation is needed. The goal is not to fix ankle mobility with this exercise. There are other drills for that. Here, we're simply trying to create the best possible squat position in the bottom, using whatever tools we need. Unrack the bar and walk it back. If you're using heel elevations, place the heel securely on top of it. If not, feet stay flat on the floor. Take a stance that feels natural for your structure. Before moving, create upper back tension. Pull down on the bar like you're trying to bend it over your shoulders. Pinch the shoulder blades back and down and keep the chest tall. From here, bend the knees and flex the hips to sit down into a deep squat. Think arse to grass, or closing the angle between the hamstrings and calves as much as possible, as long as you're maintaining good squat mechanics. How this looks will vary from person to person. Torso length, femur length, and overall structure all matter here. Once you're in the bottom, we do not relax. There should be tension through the legs, hips, and midline. You're still actively pulling down on the bar and pushing the chest out. Your lats are engaged. Your upper back is tight. Your shoulder blades are back and down. Chest stays up, torso is upright as your structure allows. You're simply sitting strong in the bottom of the squat. Hold this position anywhere from 10 to 30 seconds. Once the time is up, stand up under control. Fully extend the hips and knees before re-racking the bar. That's one set. The back squat bottom hold is incredibly useful for anyone who is struggling to hit depth, losing position in the squat, or lacks confidence in the bottom range. The goal is to make the bottom of the squat look strong, stable, and intentional. Set it up well, stay tight, and use this as a tool to improve your full squat over time.